To create a new purchase order, select Inventory from the home screen, and then go to the Purchase Orders tab. Type the purchase order number or name into the New Order Name field and press Create New Order. To associate a vendor with the purchase order, choose a vendor from your existing database by pressing the button to the right of the vendor field. To create a new vendor, press the Create New button underneath the vendor field. The only other field that is required is the Ship To address. Once all vendor details have been entered, press Save Details. If you have maximum quantity and reorder point quantity levels set up in the system, you can press the Auto Add Items button to automatically calculate what items are below stock and the quantity to be ordered from this vendor. To manually select what to order, select the Order and Receive tab. Items can be manually entered or scanned. If you know the item code, you can type it in the Quick Add section, select the quantity, and then press Add Item. To add items from your SKU database, press the Add Edit Quantity button at the bottom of the screen. Browse or search for the desired item, and then select it from the list. In the Add Item to PO tab in the bottom portion of the screen, enter the quantity being ordered and then press Add Items. Repeat this process with any other items that you would like to add to the purchase order. Then press Finish, go back to PO. Note that you can also process items being returned to the vendor on this same screen. To do this, you would just select the negative PO return checkbox at the top of the screen before adding the items. Once all items have been added, go back to the PO Details tab and press Save Details. Press Close PO to return to the list of all existing purchase orders. You can sort the list by particular date range or click on one of the column headers to sort by that attribute. You can also search the list by typing into the search field. Double-click a purchase order from the list to view its details. Alternatively, you can select the order and then press either Enter on your keyboard or the Edit Selected Order button at the top of the screen to open the order details. Once in the details screen for a particular purchase order, you can edit the information and press Save Details to save your changes. Once an order has been received, you can notate this in the system by going to the Order and Receive tab and pressing the Receive button at the bottom of the screen. Select one of the options. Select Receive All Items with Cost Editing. Confirm the pricing and quantity and then press Receive Items. To finalize the order, go to the Post tab. Select the items and then press the Post button on the right of the screen. This will move the items into your on-hand inventory. Now you can finalize the purchase order. Press Close PO to return to the list of existing purchase orders. To delete a purchase order from the list, select the order and then press the Delete Purchase Order button at the top of the screen.